historic 23 days end in a Dallas courtroom as Jack Ruby is taken in to hear the verdict in his trial for the murder of Lee Harvey Oswald, accused assassin of President Kennedy. The charge had been murder with malice, the defense insanity. The ruling that barred all cameras from the courtroom is lifted as Judge Joe B. Brown prepares to hear from the jury their decision of the case. The jurors had heard the final summations in the early morning hours, and they had deliberated for a little over 2 hours before returning to the jury box. Now, the News of the Day cameraman records the judge's words in the tense final moments of a drama that began in national tragedy last November.
Ladies and gentlemen, you have reached a verdict. May I have it, Sheriff, please? We, the jury, find the defendant guilty of murder with malice as charged in the indictment and assess his punishment at death. Signed, Max E. Causey, Foreman. So say you all. Is that your unanimous verdict? Will all of you whose verdict that is, please hold up your right hands. All right, Sheriff, here's your prisoner.
May I thank this jury for a victory for
Keep your seats, please. There'll be no moving out. Don't let anybody out of the courtroom.
As Ruby is led away, the shouts of Chief Defense Counsel Melvin Belli are still heard above the excited hubbub that sweeps the courtroom.
Don't you worry, Jack. We'll appeal this and take it out of Dallas.
The prisoner is led back to the cell where he will be held until the final disposition of his appeal. Reporters hear a distraught and emotional Attorney Belli reiterate his determination to appeal the verdict. This must be made to the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals. Further appeals that could drag on for 2 years or so could be made as high as the United States Supreme Court. But the first crucial judgment has been rendered against Jack Ruby.